Good morning to respected Director Sir, Mr. Sharad Gupta, Principal Ma'am, Ms. Nupur Chandra, our HM Ma'am, Ms. Shalini Rastogi. As you all know, that Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April every year. The Earth Day is a day for all of us to remember the environment in our busy lives. A day that reminds us to continue to do a little things that help our environment. Things like turning off the lights, conservation of energy, plants, trees, recycle, reuse and reduce. From class 2, I'll call Mr. Arnav Rai and Yugam Kansal. Arnav will represent Hindi poem and Yugam will represent our thought.
My name is Arnav Saxena. I read in class 2nd in Smart Indian Model School. Today is Earth Day. इस हैप्पी अवसर पर मैं एक कविता सुनाऊंगा। धरती की बस यही पुकार, पेड़ लगाओ बारंबार, आओ आओ मिलकर कसम है खाए, अपनी धरती हरित मनाए। धरती पर हरियाली हो, जीवन की निशानी, जीवन में खुशहाली हो। पेड़ पौधों को पानी दो, जीवन की निशानी दो। आओ पेड़ लगाए हम, जीवन सुखी मनाए हम। थैंक यू। हैप्पी अर्थ डे।
My name is Yugam Kansal of class 2nd A from Smart Indian Model School. Today we are celebrate our Earth Day. जीवन को बेहतर बनाओ, प्रदूषण को दूर करके पृथ्वी दिवस मनाओ। Thank you all.
Clap for all the students who have performed so well. Very well done. Next, we'll call our class 3 students, Vanshika and Ishansh. They'll perform and recite Hindi and English poem.
Hello everyone, my name is Vanshika from class 3rd. My school name is Smart Indian Model. Trees they are there every day, and under them you can play. Their leaves can be green, and trees are never mean. Please let them stay, so just don't worry. Try keep them clean, don't let them learn clean. Let them thrive, and they keep you alive. Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Gurnur Singh from class 4. My school name is Smart Indian Model School. Today I am going to tell 5 lines about our Earth. Earth Day is celebrated on 22 April every year. Earth Day is celebrated to create awareness for the environment. We should protect our Earth for climate change and pollution. On Earth Day, we can plant trees.
our Earth Day celebration. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our video, and till then, bye bye and take care. We'll meet in the next day.